What is going on, guys? It's Jezzi, and I just want to take you through my trade analysis. So, my previous price hit prediction, mm, if you look at it, I said it's going to go bam, boom, come through a level, and then retest back off level and come back up. If you look, came down, boom, shot through that level, came down, and now it's going to retest back up. I got the movement correct, just wrong location. But if you saw the video, you would be able to identify, what's going on. But you're not. You don't know what I'm thinking, so you probably wouldn't be able to pick up on what I'm saying. So I just want to make sure y'all know, if you're watching the video, these price analysis videos are my opinion and what's going through my brain. I'm not in the business of babysitting. I'm not gonna post an update video. I'm gonna just say how it is, what I think. So my trade analysis. So first trade, I took a L. Second trade, I did do what I was expecting. But I'm not gonna trade anymore today because two is I take max 2 trades a day. Max 2 trades a day. Just to prevent over trading and revenge trading. So, not only is this going to be a trade analysis video, but it's going to be like a slight psychology. All right, I'm gonna just go with it as I'm explaining the trade. So the first trade I took, I was playing puts. Price came up to here. I went puts. That means I think price was gonna go down. Price came down. I was like, all right, and I was expecting it to come down around here. So price came down and then hit this support right here and then rejected back up. I was like, all right, price is going to come back down. When I saw that this new candle barely came down and started trending up, I was like, frick, I got to get out of this. Because now it basically just went boom, rejected off this resistance, hit this support, and now it's going to come to a new resistance. So first trade I did take a L on, but all right. And then this is where the psychology part comes in. I knew, and I have texts and everything to prove it. So I don't want to hear, oh no, blah 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 blah, like it already happened, like you're just saying it now because it happened. Nah, I have texts and crap. I knew price was going to come down around this key level and reject back up. I watched it. Boom, hit. But I'm not gonna say, but I was on the phone with one of my friends, and I kind of was my brain was half and half between, oh, hang up on the phone, focus on your trade, or help him figure something bullshit out. I ended up overthinking that price was going to continue to crash, and I did not enter my trade. And what can we see? Price comes down here and rejects all the way back up. A $3 move. That is solely because I just overthought my I was not focused, and that like comes to another thing, like I'm low key like done trying to help people, like not like online, cuz like you guys aren't like talking back to me. Like I have, if you know me in person, like I don't have like a high patience, like especially for the stupid questions. And then I know obviously much more than the normal person would know about options and stocks and whatever. So when they're asking me a question that's like a no-brainer to me, I think it's a stupid question and I don't realize that they just don't know. But that's just one thing that messes with my psychology. So I'm just going to like slowly stop like just trying to explain things to people and like babysit. That's just not how I operate. Like I am not in the business of babysitting. I cannot do that. So yeah, I literally watch price come down to this support and just do exactly what I said. I literally texted my mentor, price. I literally texted my mentor, uh, gonna hit 433.62, then go longs. Like, come on, man. Ugh. That is, if I'm being completely honest, that is a worser feeling than losing money on a trade. Me personally, that's my opinion. All right, I'm trying to fix this screen share thing for you. Okay, there we go. That is the single-handed like worst feeling for me. Like that is one of my biggest pet peeves. Calling something, watching it happen and not taking action on it. That that makes me want to punch a monitor. Like really, really bad. Okay. That was my first trade. And slight psychology yap session. Second trade. I noticed obviously the price was going up. That is a key level marked for me. Notice price previously got jumbled up around there. Big support could act as a resistance. Move that, I think. Yeah. Big support could act as a resistance. Big support could act as resistance. Big support, big support, big support. And if you see, and I like to say history repeats itself because it does, and you can ask anyone in the stock market. Price comes up to that level and bam, bam, bam. If we zoom in, bam, bam, bam. Big support, big support, big support. Now acting as resistance. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna listen to what I have to say and not listen to anyone and or not talk to anyone. So I hung up the phone and I really like him. He's like one of my very close friends. But he just needs a lot of explaining. But that's fine. I'm like that. But I just don't have the patience for that. And I was in the middle of my own trading. So, you know. Alright. Alright. Enough yapping. Okay. Second trade. Yeah. I just put big support for a lot. And previously, when it comes up to that resistance, it rejects really hard. So I entered puts here. Actually, I entered puts here. Wherever my yellow line is, it's my entry or like a level. Excuse me. Yeah, so I excuse me. Oh my god. So yeah, I entered here And as you can see, bam, bam, bam. And when this happened, I knew. I was like, all right, I'm in good hands. Allstate, if that's the correct one, or State Farm. I don't know. But this shit is probably gonna like ah. I knew it was gonna come down, but whatever, bro. I can't even like. Okay, yeah, but yeah. Second trade, knew price was gonna come up to this level and reject. What did I do? It ticked up. I and quite frankly, that was the top of the um initial uptrend. So, really good entry. Really happy about that. I wasn't really too worried about a stop loss because I just like knew it was gonna come down. So yeah, I bought my contracts for like 40 cents, sold them here for like 82 cents. So I did go 100% on a trade. And that is my trading analysis video, plus a slight yap session about psychology. But yeah, if you spend hours at night, and I am talking hours, I wish I could like see my screen time on TradingView. I'm telling you, if you spend hours at night making a trading plan, making a analysis of how price is going to work, stick to what you think, because you're not always going to have someone helping you trade. There is no one to blame. There's nothing to blame but yourself if you mess up. And I am really, really pissed off about this because that is a huge move with so much room for profit. So much room for profit. I could have went like, I don't even want to do the math on it because I'm just gonna get more pissed off. But I was literally gonna buy 437 calls too. I probably would have went like 500% on a trade. Damn. All right. Whatever. Well, you know me, when I make my trade analysis, I am done for the day. Did end the day off negative, but we recognize our mistakes. And what can I learn from this trading day? Don't be trying to teach people stuff while you're trading, and stick to what you think is going to happen. Oh my god, I'm so mad about this. All right, yeah, that is the video. I will be back later with my March 16th price analysis. Thank you and have a wonderful day.